I tell myself to hold it down, I know I'm blessed. You going through the motions, that's gonna be a lot of stress. Don't let them fuck up your vibe, know you got it out the mud. Yeah, I do it for the love, know they do it just because. Remember times was hard, now we really made a way. I just wanna ball, I just wanna fade away. No, they ain't pick up my call, they won't see me face to face. I feel like it's fuck 'em all, they hate when you make a way. Hey, growing up, all I did was the music. I got a story to tell, in the booth, off topic, go stupid. Promise I'm giving them hell, in the trap, I was making them sales. Good gas, you could tell by the smell. Did it for purpose, I ain't do it for show. Niggas went broke buying them clothes, damn. I thought you was the man, he didn't have a plan, and now his feet back in the sand. Like what you gonna do when the time gets hard? Is they gon' be around? Is they gon' do their job? Is they gon' play their part? I wouldn't consider a job, I'm saying play a role, cause the team could fall apart. So you gotta pay attention, the snake steady slithering. They don't wanna see you winning, promise don't forget it. Just keep it in motion, we came up fast, we floating. I don't wanna slow down, let's go rounds, I'ma go fast when I go in her ocean. I've been a beast, I don't brag about it, I boast it. I'm kicking incredibly dope shit, rest in peace, smacking my ghost. I tell myself to hold it down, I know I'm blessed. You going through the motions, that's gonna be a lot of stress. Don't let them fuck up your vibe.